Hello everyone, I hope you are doing really well and I hope you are enjoying your work on hot potatoes. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to create a crossword puzzle for keeping your students motivated, for providing them with new instructional lessons, for assessing their learning, and for many different instructional purposes. Here you see by entering the J cross, you see the grid. You can create your crossword puzzle here, and also you can click on this item to let the system does it for you automatically, and I do prefer this part. But first of all, let's begin with the title. Vocabulary game. This can be a test for any subject: literature, history, science, anything. I click on this part, the automatic part, and I want to enter some vocabulary here. Let's again go to my files from across these tests. I can, it depends on the material and the content that you have presented or you want to emphasize. Good. Let's go to this part. It says enter each word or phrase on a separate line. After pasting it, yes, they are on separate lines. You see the number of words. Make the grid. Okay, you see the grid is made here. But now there is no description for the words. It has prepared them based on the shared letters, but I need to add some clues here. I come here, I've got my words, some of them as across and some here as the down. I should click on this one, add the description, the clue, for example, related to culture. Then go to the next one. Okay. You see the clue comes here. Successful. A person who has succeeded or achievement. Okay. And then let's go to this part. Approximately, almost, roughly, slightly. You may want to provide different clues here, but just to save time I'm doing it very rapidly. Comfortable. There were some more words here I cannot find. Oh yeah, transportation. Now just to save time, capital. Yes, I forgot to check it. Capital, the main city in a country. Of course, you may provide different definitions for any word. Competition, contest. Let's see if, oh yeah, natural. It can be also normal, typical, or any word you want traditional, created, or not modern. Beautiful, good looking. Wow, there are a lot of words, and while choosing them I didn't have any idea how many words I should have here and how many clues I should provide. Traditions, customs, good. Then you press the OK at the end and then save the test, in fact the crossword puzzle, on the destination that you prefer. I have already selected it. Vocabulary game. Okay, do you want to view? Yes, why not? Let's view it. Maybe we want to I want to check it. I haven't answered anything. It says your score is 0. Some of your answers are incorrect. Okay, maybe you want to make some changes in the configuration of it. We should go again to this part and go to configuration, make changes in the colors, appearance, font colors, timer. Maybe you want to provide it with a timer, perhaps 10 minutes, or set a time limit for this exercise. Let's set 15 minutes. Okay, your time is over is a good message. Good. Now this is the exercise that I want to upload it. Do you want to save changes? Yes. I want to upload this exercise on the website. Vocabulary game. Good. Let's go to my website. You may want to upload it just as a link if you don't have access of a teacher here, but if you can, if you have the editing access, you can add it as an activity here. On some learning management systems like Moodle, you may add some plugins for different activities like hot potatoes. Okay, I add it. Then I should add a name. Then I should upload the file. Vocabulary game. I should edit it. The dictation is not okay. Good. And save it. That's very easy. When you have the plugin on your learning management system, it's very easy to consider one activity here, one file here as an activity. Okay. Previously we uploaded the cloze test, and now we've got vocabulary game. And after that, when you've got enough of these related activities, related quizzes, you can put them together and show it as a package by using the masher. But for now, it's a good idea to see how your students can see it. A student comes here and sees these two quizzes enters the vocabulary game. And oh yeah, the description is here. You see you created some changes in the color, but the colors are not supported here by learning management system. Let's click on 1. Across. Yes, this is across horizontal vehicles. I should write, this is the description, the clue. I haven't provided a good clue. Maybe somebody writes the car, but I know by a better clue the students would add transportation. Enter. Yes, great. Transportations, it must have an S at the end. Okay, 3. I click on it. A bit, it's slightly. Hint begins with S. I don't need hint. I enter it. Number 4, you click on the number based on the clue, that the clues should be clear. My clue for transportation was not sufficient, but using the clues, and then if you need, using these hints, you can answer all these. Your students can answer all these questions, and then finally they check it. Your score is 19%. Some of your answers are incorrect. Incorrect squares have been blanked out. Okay. This is the feedback that your student receives. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I hope you can create very, very excellent crossword puzzles and share as the activity of this section. Have a nice time and goodbye.